Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Humaira Munif. I have done my master's from Karachi University in International Relations. I have been associated in teaching profession since the last 3 years. Today, my topic is electrical conductors and insulators. For better understanding of the topic, let's watch a short video. Alright, students, you are now fully aware of the term conductors and insulators. Let's review the definitions. Conductor is a material that allows electricity to flow through it, whereas insulator is the completely vice versa of it. To determine whether an object is a conductor or insulator, you can build a simple electric circuit with a battery, light bulb, and three pieces of wire as mentioned in the given diagram. Then you are going to touch the free ends of the wire to the object you are testing. For instance, we have connected the free ends with a penny. As you can see here, if the light bulb lights up, the object is made from a conductor. If it does not, the object is made from an insulator. So here is the table for you. Complete the table. Predict whether each item is made from a material that is a conductor or insulator. Then test each item to determine if it is made from a conductor or insulator. So the first material is rubber band. When you will connect the rubber band into the circuit, you will find out that the bulb does not glow, which shows that rubber is an insulator. Second is nickel. On connecting it into the circuit, the bulb lights up. Hence, it's a conductor. Already we know that since nickel is a metal, and we know that metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Next is penny, which is also made up of metal. So yes, it's a good conductor of heat and electricity, and the bulb will glow up. Next is toothpick, which is made up of wood, and wood is an insulator because the bulb will not glow. Again, key which is made up of metal, and we know that metal is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So yeah, the bulb will glow up. Second last is paper clip, which is made up of metal. So again, it's a conductor and the bulb will glow up. And the last is wood, which is an insulator, so the bulb will not glow. If you like my presentation, stay tuned for the next part. Thank you.